Hey guys, welcome to Techno Salad. Road trips mean a lot of time behind the wheels. Fortunately, there are plenty of options to upgrade your ride and enhance your experience on the road by making it safer, smoother, and much more enjoyable. In this video, you will see some of the ultimate car gadgets and accessories that you can purchase on Amazon and AliExpress. So keep watching. Number 1 on our list is Iseco Go 20. Iseco Go 20 is a flexible dual-zone portable car freezer. With detachable partition design, Go 20 provides two separate zones for refrigeration and freezing, which can be operated with two digital panels at the same time. Go 20 features a 3-stage dynamic battery protection that can prevent your car battery from running down when connected with your carport. Go 20 has two operational modes, Max and Eco, that can be adjusted as needed. If you like to enjoy chilled beverages on the road trip, then this gadget is must for your car. Number 2 on our list is Norrshire Portable Car Washer. Car washing is a big trouble for many people. It is time and energy consuming and it costs money. But with the Norrshire Portable Car Washer, this tedious task becomes much easier. Norrshire Multipurpose Car Washer Kit is your ultimate toolkit on the road. It comes in two different versions, X1S and X2S. X1S sports 4 useful features, a pressurized car washer, a jump starter, a power bank, and warning sign. Adding to that, X2S even further fits in the car inflator. This one kit saves you a lot of space in your car and money. Its built-in rechargeable battery can be fully charged within 3 hours and wash your car for whole hour. Norrshire returns your car back to its clean and shiny state in no time. Number 3 on our list is Vaylens Secure 360. Trouble doesn't have blind spots or pause when you park your car, neither should your car security solution. Secure 360 is the only automatic security camera that records in 360 degrees whether you are in the car or not, securing the truth to protect from the misinformation. Secure 360 is a total car security solution that blends multiple sensing technologies to see trouble, anticipate risk, and capture events whether you are in the car or away from it for an extended period of time. With Vaylens Secure app, you can access video data, add highlights, upload video to the cloud, choose from multiple viewing modes of video evidence to see the full story. IR LEDs help Secure 360 see in the low light conditions even in the dark. Built-in GPS technology provides location data to help you find your car. Number 4 on our list is Aventry CK11. Aventry CK11 is a wireless hands-free car speakerphone with auto on, off, and a voice dial. CK11 features the latest Bluetooth hands-free visor-mounted car kit. It is possible to access Siri or Google Assistant with one button press. CK11 features a powerful 2-watt internal speaker complete with echo and background noise reduction, enabling you to always hear your conversations clearly. CK11 has a rechargeable battery that charges fully in 2 to 3 hours and provides over 600 hours of standby time. Number 5 on our list is Vanmask Wireless Car Charger Mount. Vanmask V Wireless Car Charger Auto Clamping High-Tech Design. With built-in fast charging coil, it's perfectly compatible with 99% of all kinds of wireless charging mobile phones and also has the overcharge protection. It supports Android and iOS wireless fast charging, makes Samsung, iPhone and other mobile phones reach the max wireless charging speed. Wireless charger's secure sucker sticks tightly on the dashboard or most surfaces. The dashboard car mount has two ways to move and adjust. The adjustable arm and 360-degree joint ball could help you find the most suitable angle for safe driving. What's more, a ventilation holder is equipped, allowing the charger to be flexibly mounted on the car air vent. Number 6 on our list is VVCar 12 Mirror Dashcam. VVCar applied a low reflectivity IPS LCD to prevent a glare and reduce reflection during the day. The built-in touchscreen makes it simple to navigate the menus and view the recordings. GPS tracking system helps this car camera record driving speed, direction and route. Built-in high-quality chip, front and back camera can record clear video with high resolution of Full HD, 1296p or HD 1080p at the same time. Loop recording will automatically override the earliest video segment when the memory storage space is full. The mirror dashcam is easy to install. You can easily attach dashcam to rear view mirror with the rubber strap and then connect the car charger with the camera. Number 7 on our list is Bestrix Magnetic Cell Phone Holder. The Bestrix magnetic car mount will give your dashboard the luxurious look. You can adjust 360 degrees rotation of your phone display and an arm as per your convenience. This elegant product fits all dashboards with smooth surfaces besides fox leather dashboards. It is very easy to install with the unique suction cup. Silicone surface holding the phone and keeping it safe during every bump on the road, giving you and your phone a smooth ride. This product is made with the best and highest quality materials, the most superior quality ABS plastic that offers flexibility and durability, a strong gel base that will stabilize the product on the dashboard, securing your phone with the best magnets under the silicone surface. Number 8 on our list is Besiva Car Phone Holder. Besiva Car Phone Holder is suitable for most kind of cell phones or GPS devices which are between 6 to 12 mm thick. This phone holder stays in place with its soft silicone textured bottom and sticky pads. It can protect phone against bumping, scratching or flying out whenever there is an emergency braking, sudden stop and sharp turn. The holder and a dashboard are in the 100-degree, which does not affect the driving vision and ensures the safety of driving. So those were some of the ultimate car gadgets and accessories that makes your driving experience better. Please like and share the video. If you are new to our channel, then hit that red subscribe button and ring the bell icon to receive the notifications of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.